Yoga and lifestyle. Meaning of asanas: to sit in comfortable position for everlasting period of time is called asana. Asanas as preventive measure. Asanas can be preventive measures as they provide following physiological benefits which ultimately helps in avoiding various lifestyle disease. The following are the benefits of asanas for prevention of disease. Bones and joints become strong. Circulation of blood becomes normal. Immune system is strengthened. Respiratory organs become efficient. Efficiency of excretory system enhances. Muscles become strong. Obesity. Obesity is the condition of the body in which the amount of fat increases to extreme levels. Procedure benefits and introduction for Vajrasana. Procedure: it is a meditative asana. Knee down on the ground with your knees, ankle and toes touching the ground. Your toes should be stretched backwards. Now place your palm of both hands on the knees. The upper body should be straight. At this time, the breathing should be deep, even, and slow. Benefits: it is helpful for concentration. It is helpful in curing dysentery, back pain, and chest disease. It enhances memory. It cures problems related to menstruation. Contradiction: a person suffering from joint pain should not perform Vajrasana. The individuals who have any spinal column problem should not perform Vajrasana. Next asana, Padhast Asana. Procedure benefits and contradiction for Padhast Asana. Procedure: bend forward until the fingers or palms of the hands touch the floor on either side of the feet. Try to touch the knees with the forehead. Do not strain. Keep the knees straight. Exhale while bending toward. Try to contract the abdomen in the final position to expel the maximum amount of air from the lungs. Benefit of Padhastasana: it makes the body very flexible. It stretches the leg and back muscles. It helps to eliminate excess belly fat. It makes the spine flexible and tones the nervous. Contradiction: the individual who have back pain should avoid this asana. At least they should not bend forward fully. They can bend themselves only as far as comfortable. Next disease, diabetes. Diabetes is such a disorder that it causes sugar to build up in our body, our blood. stream instead of being used by the cells in the body. Ardha Matsendrasana. Procedure, benefits and contradiction for Ardha Matsendrasana. Procedure: the left heel is kept under right high thigh and the right leg is crossed over the left thigh. After that, hold the right toe with left hand and turn your hand and back to the right side. In this position, move the trunk sidewise, then perform the same asana in the reverse position. Benefits: it keeps gallbladder and prostate gland healthy. It enhances the stretch ability of back muscles. It alleviates digestive elements. It regulates the secretion of adrenaline and bile, and thus is recommended in yogic management of diabetes. Contraindication: women who are 2 or 3 months pregnant should avoid participating in this. The individuals who suffer from peptic ulcers, hernia, and hypothyroidism should practice this asana under expert guidance. Next asana, Pavan Muktasana. Procedure: lie down on your back on a plain surface. Keep your feet together and place your arms beside your body. Take a deep breath. When you exhale, bring your knees towards your chest. At the same time, press your thighs on your abdomen. Clasp your hands around your legs. Hold the asana when you breathe normally. Every time you inhale, ensure that you loosen the grip. Exhale and release the pose after you rock and roll from side to side 3 times. Benefits: in easy the tension in lower back. It enhances the blood circulation in pelvic area. It stimulates the reproductive organs. It helps to cure menstruational disorder. It helps in reducing the fats of the thighs, buttock, and abdomen.